as promised, here's our exclusive. Times Now's accessed the CBI remand copy into the investigation against the Censor Board CEO caught in Bollywood bribecade. Over the next few minutes, we will tell you how the bribe for clearance nexus really worked within the Censor Board. Janice is joining me live on this story. Janice, you have accessed the remand copy. Give us more details. How did it really work? It seems it's very organized with agents and slab rates in the works.
Absolutely, Tanvi. Just like you mentioned, it's been a very organized racket, and I have with me in my hand the copy of the CBI remand copy. Now, what it tells us in great detail is how exactly Rakesh Kumar and his agents, the middlemen, how they functioned and how they went about, this entire corruption racket. So step one was very simple. Step one was when the producers and filmmakers approached the Censor Board to start the certification process. Now, step two, the agents, that's all these middlemen who've been caught along with Rakesh Kumar, would then determine the urgency of the certification process and then would pull out their rate card. So, for example, if you wanted your film certified in 3 to 4 days, you would have to shell out anywhere between 1,50,000 to 2 lakhs. But if it was a matter of 7 to 8 days, then well, you would have to shell out between 25 to 50,000. In these last 8 months, according to the agents who have been caught in this racket, Rakesh Kumar has already amassed close to 18 to 25 lakhs. And step three, of course, was these agents would then meet Rakesh Kumar at a pre-decided location, not the Censor Board office, but any other location, probably a coffee house, his residence, another office, and then the cash or the gifts would be handed over to Rakesh Kumar. So step by step, a very organized racket going on here at the Censor Board. But if you think that Bollywood's not been in the know about this, well, then that's another surprising twist, because we spoke to producers, we've been speaking to actors, we've been speaking to filmmakers, and all of them, some on record, some off record, are claiming that, for the longest time, the Censor Board has been a corruption board. In fact, some of them have gone as far as to say to move a file at the Censor Board, one needs to pay them a certain amount of chai pani. So, very shocking revelation, shocking details coming out about the biggest, Censor Board corruption racket. And, now, they've been telling us, the media has been, reporting it now, but the Censor Board racket, the corruption racket, has been going on for quite a while.
Right, it looks like that for every movie, for every certain number of days for release, there is a specific price that you have to pay. Janice, I'm going to come back to you.